Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
A Celsius thermometer measures temperature using the Celsius scale, where water freezes at 0 degrees C and boils at 100 degrees C. Know this reference to interpret any reading. Digital units display a numeric value and the symbol such as 23. 4 degrees C, while analog types use mercury or colored alcohol rising in a glass column to indicate temperature. Choose the right type for your task. Digital probes for quick readings, wall sensors for room monitoring, and clinical thermometers for body measurements. To measure accurately, place the probe or sensor in direct contact with the subject and wait 30 to 60 seconds until the reading stabilizes. Digital units often beep when ready. Avoid direct sunlight, drafts, proximity to heaters, or electronic devices that can skew readings by several degrees. For best results, use consistent placement and orientation, and calibrate periodically against a known reference, such as an ice bath at 0 degrees C or boiling water near 100 degrees C. Celsius thermometers are versatile. Use clinical models for body temperature, probe thermometers for food and liquids, and fixed sensors for room or HVAC monitoring. Read body temps around 37 degrees C, refrigeration near 4 degrees C, and boiling at 100 degrees C. Maintain devices by cleaning probes with isopropyl alcohol, drying before storage, and replacing batteries in digital units. Handle mercury thermometers with extreme care. If one breaks, avoid skin contact, ventilate the area, and follow hazardous material procedures to collect droplets safely. Regular checks ensure reliable readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.